When it comes to making a strong first impression, your home's windows play a more significant role than you might realize. As one of the most noticeable features of your home's exterior, windows have the power to elevate your property's curb appeal, blending functionality with aesthetic charm. In Dallas, where home styles range from modern builds to historic ranch-style homes, the right windows can tie your design together and set your home apart. Here's how investing in the right windows can transform your Dallas home's curb appeal and make it the envy of the neighborhood. Enhancing architectural harmony. Windows are integral to a home's architectural style, and the right choice can either enhance or detract from its overall aesthetic. Historic homes. If you have a classic Dallas bungalow or Tudor-style home, traditional double-hung windows with decorative grids can preserve its charm while providing modern benefits. Modern designs. For contemporary homes, sleek, large windows like casement or picture windows emphasize clean lines and an open, airy feel. Custom shapes. Arched, circular, or specialty windows add unique focal points, giving your home personality and a tailored appearance. By selecting windows that complement your home's architecture, you create a cohesive look that enhances its visual appeal. Maximizing natural light. Natural light isn't just a feature inside your home. It also has a big impact on how your home appears from the outside. Bright, airy interiors visible through clear, clean windows make your home feel inviting and warm. Larger glass areas. Picture windows, bay windows, or floor-to-ceiling designs bring in more natural light, creating a welcoming glow that's noticeable from the curb. Strategic placement. Adding or enlarging windows on street-facing walls increases light exposure while improving your home's exterior aesthetic. Well-lit interiors visible through striking windows contribute to a home's open and inviting appearance. Customized frames and finishes. The frames and finishes you choose for your windows can dramatically impact your home's curb appeal. Modern windows come in a variety of materials, colors, and finishes, giving you endless customization options. Frame materials. Sleek aluminum or vinyl frames provide a contemporary look, while wood frames bring warmth and traditional charm. Color options. Black frames create a bold, modern statement, while white or neutral tones offer timeless elegance. Coordinated finishes. Matching your window frames to your trim, shutters, or front door ties your home's exterior design together. Customizing your windows allows you to create a unique, polished look that reflects your personal style. Increasing energy efficiency. In Dallas's hot summers and mild winters, energy efficiency is a crucial factor that enhances both comfort and curb appeal. Modern, energy-efficient windows not only reduce energy costs but also showcase your commitment to sustainability. Low-E coatings. Reflective coatings on glass reduce heat gain while keeping interiors bright. Double or triple pane glass. Insulated glass minimizes heat transfer and noise pollution, making your home more comfortable and quiet. Weather-resistant frames. Durable materials like fiberglass or vinyl resist warping and maintain their appearance in Dallas's fluctuating climate. Energy-efficient windows add value to your home and appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Adding architectural interest. Windows can serve as more than functional features. They can also become design highlights that make your home stand out. Bay and bow windows. These windows project outward, adding depth and dimension to your home's exterior. Transoms and sidelights. These decorative features enhance entryways, creating a grander and more inviting appearance. Decorative glass. Stained or frosted glass designs add elegance and character to your windows while maintaining privacy. Unique window designs create visual interest that draws attention and sets your home apart in Dallas's competitive housing market. Low maintenance for lasting appeal. Modern windows are designed to stay beautiful and functional with minimal effort, making it easy to maintain your home's curb appeal. Weatherproof finishes. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist fading, cracking, and peeling, even in the Texas sun. Self-cleaning glass. Special coatings reduce dirt and water spots, keeping your windows clear with little effort. Durable construction. High-quality windows last for decades, maintaining their appearance and function over time. Low-maintenance windows ensure your home looks fresh and well-kept year-round. Boosting property value. Replacing or upgrading your windows is one of the most impactful ways to increase your home's value. Buyers in Dallas appreciate homes with modern, stylish, and energy-efficient windows. ROI on window replacements. Replacing old windows can provide a significant return on investment by enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency. Increased buyer interest. Stylish, well-maintained windows signal to buyers that the home is move-in ready. Premium look. High-quality windows elevate the overall appearance of your home, making it more competitive in Dallas's real estate market. Investing in new windows pays off in both aesthetic and financial terms. Conclusion. Windows as a curb appeal game changer. Whether you're updating an older home or designing a new one, windows are a powerful tool for boosting curb appeal in Dallas. By enhancing architectural harmony, maximizing natural light, and choosing energy-efficient and customizable designs, you can create a home that turns heads and feels welcoming. Work with a trusted local professional to select and install windows that fit your style, needs, and budget. With the right windows, your Dallas home can make a lasting impression and stand out in your neighborhood for years to come.